welcome to this short recording of how to set up the XPatch system on Ethernet. First thing to do is to decide which network port you're going to use. This computer has two. As you can see, this one and this one, they have different addresses. The important thing about the address is normally the first three numbers have to be the same and the last number has to be unique. I'll leave it off for the moment, but I happen to know that I'm going to connect it to this one, the 192.192.168.1. Okay, next thing to do, open MIDI update, which connects to the XPatch or XP relay via USB. Select each to an individual letter and then move to set IP. And you can see here this one already has an IP address. You can use DHCP to request it. As you can see, it's almost instant here. Or you can set it manually here. And as I say, the first three numbers have to be the same as the network you've selected. The last number has to be unique. Having done that, on all the units you want to connect, we can close the MIDI update. I'll go back to here, select that, and now discover the devices. And now you can see them. Okay, the only thing we've had once, and I do not know why, is that the number here was not the same as the number here where it says where the UDP is connected. I'm not sure why that happens, but this is the number. In that case, if they're not the same, use this number here, not this one. On my computer, I never had this problem, but I have had the problem with one customer. On the display, you can see one new thing here. It tells you which units, the name, and the date, the software date. If the software is not up to date, or at least more up to date than the XPatch4 software, it will tell you at this point. You can continue to run, but there's no guarantee. One other thing for debugging, if we hide this, you can see here the little count is running, and if it goes red or goes to zero and goes red, you have a problem. Let me just show you. Here we go. Take out one. Oh dear, it's become disconnected. Reconnect. Bang, it's back again. I recently doubled the timeout because I found on one system it was timing out occasionally. New thing on XPatch 4.1, you have to select the pass-through after you turn it on. This is to stop odd things happening when units. Let me just open that out a bit. Okay, and one other thing while I'm here, the latest thing is you can take a picture of a unit and save it in the past. If I right click here, go to image, here you can see drop and paste the image here. And the image will auto size, and then you can save the size you want it to be. The easiest way of getting out is to skip escape. Okay, that's it. Bye for now.